Do you know the Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean on Earth, is not only known for its beauty, but for its terrifying mysteries? Deep beneath its surface lie secrets that even modern science has not fully understood. Hundreds of ships and aircraft have vanished here, never to be seen again. The moment you hear the name Atlantic Ocean, you imagine endless blue water, roaring waves, and a horizon that never ends. But behind that beauty lurks something far more dangerous. A hidden world filled with darkness and mystery. Spanning nearly 100 million square kilometers, this ocean separates the eastern and western hemispheres. It connects Europe, Africa, North America, and South America. But the real question is, why is the Atlantic Ocean called the deadliest ocean for sailors? Why have countless explorers lost their lives trying to cross it? History tells us this ocean played a role in the rise and fall of powerful empires. It witnessed the horrors of the slave trade and also opened the gateway to the New World. But it's not just history. Even today, the Atlantic fills human minds with fear and curiosity. Every single day, thousands of ships, cargo vessels, passenger liners, and submarines depend on this ocean. But one mistake, one storm, and within moments, the ocean can swallow even the largest ships. This is home to violent hurricane zones, where winds exceed 200 kilometers per hour. And then there's the Bermuda Triangle, a place where ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared. So the question remains, are these disappearances purely natural, or is there something deeper, something unknown, hidden beneath? What we see on the surface is only a fraction of this ocean, because when we dive deeper, we enter another world, a dark world where sunlight never reaches. And here live creatures beyond imagination, the anglerfish with razor-sharp teeth and a glowing lure above its head, the giant squid stretching up to 40 feet long, yet rarely seen by human eyes, and the goblin shark, a living fossil, unchanged for millions of years. Scientists say we have explored only 5% of the ocean. So, what lies within the remaining 95%? Unknown species, unseen monsters, or something we are not ready to understand. But the Atlantic is not just about life. It is a powerhouse of nature's most destructive forces. Tsunamis, hurricanes, massive ocean currents. Every storm destroys homes and takes countless lives. Yet still, humans return to it, again and again. Because for trade, transport, and food, there is no alternative. Some call it the giver of life. Others call it a silent killer. Did you know? One of the most powerful currents on Earth, the Gulf Stream, flows through the Atlantic Ocean. It carries billions of tons of warm water from the west coast of Africa to the eastern shores of America every single day. This current influences weather, climate, and even agriculture. In a way, the Atlantic Ocean is not just water, it is the remote control of Earth's climate. Beneath the ocean lie mountains and valleys beyond imagination. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain chain stretching thousands of kilometers. In fact, it is the longest mountain range on Earth, but we never see it because it lies hidden beneath the sea. This is where new land is formed, where molten lava rises, and where continents slowly drift apart. Yes, the ground beneath your feet is moving, driven by forces deep within this ocean. And yet, This is also where life thrives, in the most impossible conditions. Deep in the ocean floor exist hydrothermal vents where water boils from volcanic heat, and unbelievably, entire ecosystems exist there. No sunlight, no plants, yet life survives using chemical energy. Scientists have discovered species here found nowhere else on Earth. Some even believe that life on Earth may have begun in places like this. So could it be that the origin of our existence lies hidden in the dark depths of the Atlantic? The Atlantic Ocean is not just nature, it is deeply woven into human history. There was a time when Europe and America were completely separate worlds. No connection, no trade, until brave sailors dared to cross the Atlantic. And everything changed. When Christopher Columbus made his journey, it marked the beginning of a new era, the age of exploration. The Atlantic became a bridge, connecting worlds, carrying trade, discovery, and dreams. But it also brought danger. Thousands of ships were lost to its storms. Waves so massive, they erased entire crews in seconds. Even during war, this ocean became a battlefield. During World War II, thousands of warships and submarines crossed these waters. German U-boats turned the Atlantic into a zone of fear, sinking countless ships and spreading terror. Today, the Atlantic remains the lifeline of the global economy. Every day, cargo ships carry oil, food, technology across this ocean. If this route ever stops, the world economy would collapse. But here's the truth. This same ocean is also one of our greatest threats. Climate change is affecting the Atlantic more than ever. Water temperatures are rising, ice is melting, and sea levels are climbing rapidly. If this continues, coastal cities may disappear. Within decades, millions of people could lose their homes. And if the Gulf Stream ever weakens, Europe's climate could completely change. Meaning, this one ocean holds the future of our entire planet. So, the question is, can we protect it? Or one day, will it erase us from history? The Atlantic Ocean, a source of life and a force of destruction. Even today, its depths hide mysteries beyond imagination. Will humanity ever uncover them? Or will the ocean keep its secrets forever? If you found this documentary fascinating, make sure to like, share, and comment. What do you think is the greatest mystery of the Atlantic Ocean? Let us know below, and we might explore it in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe for more mysterious and mind-blowing documentaries.